Hello there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Artwelder onto CorelDRAW X8. My name is Michael. I'm one of the support specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I'll be helping you guys out today. As always, I will be going through all the steps with the installation guide, but I will be going through those steps fairly quickly. So when your system needs it, pause the video, let your system catch up, and then we'll both be on the same page. Without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you will be sent an email from us with that information on it. So let's go into our emails. And here we go. So it will be from Mail Big File. It is a larger file that we will be sending, and you will receive two links. In this example, I will be using the Boxit Suite for CorelDRAW 2017 as the file that I'm downloading, but all the steps will still be the same, just the file sizes and names will be slightly different. In fact, yours will be quite a bit smaller. So go ahead and follow these two links, and it will bring you to these two pages. The file size for Artwelder is actually fairly small. It should only take a couple of seconds, maybe 30 seconds to download. It's around 20-50 megs if I'm not mistaken. So download that one first, but in either case, I would highly advise still look into the Getting Started guide, even if you already have the other information already downloaded. It has very important information, and it helps out with explaining terminology that will be used when you use this program. So let's go ahead and download that and show in folder. So here we go. There are the two of them. It will still be a compressed file when you do receive it, so we do need to decompress it, as it says right here. So in order to do that, right click on the file, and then you will have an option to extract all. So Windows 10 makes it easy. All you have to do is that now. Right click. It used to have to be third-party programs. So right click, extract all. Let's browse, and I am going to put it on this folder that I actually had prepped beforehand. So Artwelder for X8. Let's go ahead and do that. And here we go. So in order to put those files into that folder, we would click on extract. Like I said, I already have them there. So let's click on cancel and then desktop. And here it is. And so this is what the folder will look like to you. So install x8.cdr is the one that we want to look at. We're not quite ready for it. We do need to make sure that x8 is ready for it. So let's go into x8, tools up here at the top, and then under options. So we need to go into this location. And then here under workspace in VBA, we need to make sure that delay load VBA is not selected. So that's not selected. Let's click OK. And go back and let's run that CDR file. There will be a few pop-ups that will appear, so we want to enable macros as it is a macro we're running. And then X8 does have an additional step, so go into Tools, under Macros, we want to run the macro. And so you'll get to this screen here, and we want to run the macro in Artwelder, and that is the install Artwelder macro. So let's run it, and yes, we want to install. So it should be fairly quick. It is only about 3 to 5 seconds in X8. It does tend to take longer in other programs, but here we go. Alright, and with that we have installed the Artwelder program into CorelDRAW X8. Thank you for watching our video. Hope that it helped you out. Check out the video card on your left if you'd like to find out more about the Artwelder program, or the video on your right if you'd like to find out more about increasing your revenue opportunities with other programs that we have. Our website listed here can show you a small portion of the capabilities of the software you purchased and materials that we have made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, our office hours are from 9 to 5:30 Mountain Standard Time, Monday through Friday. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your laser.